So this question is actually quite easy because f theta is given here as cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and cos theta in matrix, and we have to find out f alpha and f beta. So we have to multiply both the functions. So we can do this very easily by creating two different matrices. So let's see how can we do this. We can actually do this by, okay, so here we go with f theta value is given as cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and cos theta. So in same way, if we write f alpha, that will be cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Now just to multiply with beta, so everything will be cos beta, sin beta, minus sin beta, cos alpha. Now how to multiply this? This entire thing we have to multiply here and we have to write here, and then the same we have to multiply here and we have to write here. In same way, let's multiply and then we'll see. Okay, so cos alpha multiply with cos beta, so it will be cos alpha cos beta. Now sin alpha multiply with minus sin beta, so it will be minus sin alpha sin beta. In same way, now we multiply cos alpha with sin beta, so it will be cos alpha sin beta, and then multiply sin alpha with cos alpha, so it will be plus sin alpha, and sorry, it is beta here, cos beta. Okay, then multiply this into this row and this row, so multiply minus sin alpha with cos beta, so we'll be getting minus sin alpha cos beta. Then multiply this cos alpha with sin beta, so minus cos alpha sin beta. Then multiply this column with this row, sorry, multiply this row with this column, so right here minus sin alpha sin beta, then multiply this cos with this cos beta, so plus cos alpha cos beta, and then either it will be cos a plus b or cos a minus b or sin a plus b sin a minus b. So let's check quickly. So this is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, so this is going to be cos a plus b, and a plus b in the sense alpha plus beta, and here you can see sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, so this is going to be sin a plus b, matlab alpha plus beta, and here it is going to be take minus sign common, and then it will be sin alpha plus beta, and from here you can see cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, then again cos a plus b, right? So you can see, I mean alpha plus beta, so you can see if you will when here we had theta 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 theta, we got theta here, and you can see only minus sign was here, and this is sin minus sin, and this is cos and cos. In same way you can see sin minus sin, cos and cos, only angle is being changed, means theta is replaced by alpha plus beta, in that's why f alpha into f beta, when we are multiplying we are getting a new function as f alpha plus beta. So they gave options, so option B is correct. You can see here this is option B, so this option is the right option.